In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to agency view account in Gohighlevel. If you're currently inside a sub account and need to get back to the main agency level dashboard, this process is very quick once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can switch views without confusion. First, go to Gohighlevel and make sure you're logged into your account. Once the platform loads, stay on the main screen and look toward the top left-hand side. This is where Gohighlevel usually shows your current workspace or account context, and that's important because the option to change views starts there. On the top left, you should see the area that lets you switch between different account views. Click on the option that says click here to switch. This opens the account switcher, which is where you can move between recent views, sub accounts, and your agency dashboard. After that, click on your recent view. This helps bring up the list of accounts or workspaces you've recently accessed. If you've been moving between locations or client accounts, this section makes it easier to find the one you need without searching manually. Next, click on your account from the list. Be sure you're selecting the correct account context before moving forward. This is especially helpful if you manage multiple accounts because choosing the right one ensures you end up in the proper place before switching to the agency level view. Once you've selected your account, look for the option that says Switch to Agency View. Go ahead and click it. As soon as you do, Gohighlevel will take you out of the sub-account view and back into the agency view. That's it. You've successfully switched to agency view in Gohighlevel. A helpful tip here is to always glance at the top left area after switching, just to confirm that you're in the correct view. If something looks different from what you expected, you may still be inside a location account, so simply repeat the same process and select the correct option again. This is useful when you need access to agency level settings, broader account management tools, or anything that isn't available inside an individual sub-account. Once you know where the switcher lives, going back and forth becomes much faster. Thanks for watching. And now you know exactly how to switch to agency view account in Gohighlevel.